Okay, so we have looked at Pythagoras Theorem and how to find the hypotenuse, the largest side of the triangle. Now in these following examples, you'll see with this first one, I've told you what the largest side is. The largest side in this triangle is 9. So the side that is labelled x needs to be a number less than 9. Okay then, well if I was to square and add the areas of these two small sides to work out the area of the square for the largest side, if I know that area, then to do the reverse, I subtract. So I work out the square of 9, I work out the square of 5, and because I want to find one of the small sides, not the largest side, I subtract those. So I have 9 squared take 5 squared equals 56. So therefore, x will equal the square root of 56, which equals square root of 56. We get 7.4833, and it carries on. We want to put the answer to 2 decimal places, give your answer to 2 decimal places. So cut off after 2 places, and you can see that the answer is 7.48. Because I'm cutting a 3 off, that stays as an 8. There's your answer to that one. Repeat that same situation with this second triangle. Once again, we already know the largest side of this triangle is 15. So if I was to work out that square, and I was to work out the 11 square, in order to work out that square, I need to take them, because I already know the highest one. So we got 15 squared, take the 11 squared, equals 104. So to work out the value of y, because that's the square if you recall, to work out the value of y, we need to square root that. So square root that number, and as a decimal, it comes out as 10.1980, etc. But the question did say 2 decimal places, 1, 2 decimal places, so I've cut off that. Now because I'm cutting off an 8, that means that that's got to go up 1, which means that that will go to 20. So 10.20 is my answer. Once again, triangle is presented, but without labelling the sides by a letter. We've labelled the angles by capital letters, and the question asks me to work out NM, so I need to work out this side. In keeping with the last 2 examples, we already know that the larger side, the hypotenuse, is 48. So to work out that side, we need to work out the 48 squared, we need to work out the 22 squared, and because that side is smaller, we need to take those. So we've got 48 squared take 22 squared equals 1820. So therefore m to n will be the square root of that, and if I square root that, I come out with 42.6614, etc. If I round that to 2 decimal places again, so I'm cutting off there, I'm cutting a 1 off, so it stays as it is. So 42.66 to 2 decimal places.